What if every choice you've ever made spawned an entirely new universe? Picture this. Right now, in another reality, you're a rock star, an astronaut, or maybe even a villain. But is this science fiction or science fact? Today, we're diving into Multiverse Madness, where two titanic theories, many worlds and string theory landscapes, clash over the true nature of reality. Buckle up. By the end of this video, you'll question everything you think you know. Welcome to Mindscape, where we unravel the universe's deepest mysteries. I'm your guide, and today's topic isn't just mind-blowing, it's reality-shattering. From Marvel movies to late-night existential crises, the multiverse captivates us all. But beyond pop culture, real science is wrestling with the question: is our universe one of many? Let's break down the many worlds interpretation and string theory's landscape, two competing models that could redefine existence itself. Ready to bend your mind? Imagine flipping a coin. Heads, you watch this video. Tails, you click away. But according to many worlds, both happen. Proposed in 1957, this theory claims every quantum decision splits reality, like a cosmic choose-your-own ad book with endless endings. Schrödinger's cat? Alive and dead in parallel worlds. But here's the kicker. These universes aren't sci-fi fantasies. They're mathematically inevitable. Critics ask, where's the proof? Supporters fire back, where's the limit? Now let's shift gears. String theory, a quest to unify physics, suggests reality isn't just 3D. Tiny, vibrating strings dance in 11 dimensions, shaping laws of physics. But here's the twist. Math predicts 10 to the power of 500 possible universes, each with unique rules. Think of it as a cosmic library where our universe is just one book. But why can't we see these extra dimensions? String theorists argue they're curled up tighter than a knitted sweater. Still, skeptics groan. Is this philosophy or science? So, who's right? Many worlds roots itself in quantum mechanics. Observations split reality. String theory relies on elegant math, multiverse by default. But both imply a humbling truth. We're not special. If infinite universes exist, every tragedy and triumph repeats endlessly. Is this freeing or terrifying? And here's the bombshell. If we never contact other universes, are these theories untestable? Science demands. Let's land this rocket. Whether you're Team Many Worlds or Team String Theory, one thing's clear. Reality is weirder than we dream. These models aren't just about physics, they're about philosophy. Do we live in a quantum kaleidoscope or a string theory labyrinth? Maybe the answer doesn't matter. What matters is the journey, to keep asking, what if? If your brain hasn't melted yet, hit like, smash subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which multiverse model blows your mind?